Gametogenesis in higher plants. Higher plant means angiospermic plant, that is the flowering plant in which flowering, fruiting and seed formation takes place. There male gametes produce inside the pollen grains by the process of microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis means male gametogenesis, process of male gamete formation. And the female gamete egg produced inside the ovule by the process of megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis means process of female gametogenesis, process of female gamete formation. Next one, gamete transfer. Gamete transfer is the second event of pre-fertilization event. Clear? Usually male gametes are motile and female gametes are non-motile, stationary. It is in most of the cases. Clear? But in certain fungi and algae, both male as well as female gametes are motile. Clear? And male gametes are produced in large number compared to the female gametes. Why? Because to increase the chance of fertilization. Because before reaching the female gamete, many male gametes are destroyed, kills. Clear? So more number of male gametes are produced to increase the chances of fertilization. Here in case of simple plants like the algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, the male gamete reach to the female gamete through the water. Water is the medium through which male gamete reach to the female gamete. In higher plants, in angiosperms, male gamete reach to the female gamete by the process of pollination. What is pollination? Pollination means transfer of pollen grains from anther of stamen to the stigma of carpel of the same flower or other flower of the same plant or other plant belong to the same species. So that is the process of pollination. And pollination takes place by air, water, insects. Clear? Pollination is also two types, self-pollination and cross-pollination. In self-pollination, there is the bisexual flower. From the anther of stamen, pollen grains transfer to the stigma of carpel of the same flower or other flower of the same plant. That is the self-pollination. In cross-pollination, pollen grains transfer from anther of stamen to the stigma of carpel of other plant belong to the same species. That is the cross-pollination. Clear? In higher animals, gamete transfer takes place by the process of copulation. What is copulation? In copulation, male organism directly deposit the male gamete in the body of female. So this is the process of copulation. Like in case of human, cat, dog, tiger. Fertilization, the second event of sexual reproduction, fertilization. It is also known as the syngamy. What is fertilization? Fusion of haploid male gamete sperm with the haploid female gamete ovum to form the diploid zygote is known as fertilization. Clear? Fertilization is of many types here. External fertilization. What is external fertilization? Where fusion of gametes, male gamete and female gamete, occurs outside the female body in the aquatic medium. Clear? That type of fertilization is the external fertilization. Clear? Like the fishes and frogs. Internal fertilization means male gamete sperm and female gamete ovum fuse to form the zygote inside the body of organism. Clear? So that is the internal fertilization. Internal fertilization में male और female gametes inside the body of living organism fuse करके zygote बनाएंगे. और external fertilization में male gamete और female gamete outside the body of parents mostly in the aquatic medium fuse करेंगे और zygote बनाएंगे. Clear? इसको बोलेंगे हम क्या? एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन. self fertilization or autogamy. What is self fertilization or autogamy? In self fertilization or autogamy, both the fusing gametes, means male gamete as well as female gametes, are produced from the same single parent. एक ही पेरेंट से दोनों गैमेट्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं और फ्यूज करके जाइगोट बनाएंगे. तो इस प्रोसेस को बोलेंगे क्या हम? सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन और ऑटोगैमी और इंडोगैमी. सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस in case of bisexual organism. Clear? And it is the uniparental process. Only one parent involved. एक ही parent involved होता है सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन में. क्लियर? और ये कहां पे होता है? बाइसेक्सुअल ऑर्गेनिज्म में होता है. क्लियर? यहाँ पे दोनों फ्यूजिंग गैमेट्स, मेल गैमेट भी और फीमेल गैमेट भी एक ही ऑर्गेनिज्म से, एक ही पेरेंट से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल टीनिया सोलियम, दैट इज द टेपवर्म. सेकेंड हमारा क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन और एक्सोगैमी. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? बोथ द फ्यूजिंग गैमेट्स, मेल गैमेट एंड फीमेल गैमेट्स आर प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम टू सेपरेट पेरेंट. क्लियर? तो इसको बोलेंगे क्या हम? क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन और एक्सोगैमी, लाइक इन केस ऑफ ह्यूमन, काउ, डॉग. एंड क्रॉस फर्टिलाइजेशन इज बाई पेरेंटल प्रोसेस, क्योंकि इसमें दो पेरेंट इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं. वन इज मेल, अदर इज फीमेल. एंड it occurs in unisexual organism. Okay, so cross fertilization is biparental process and occurs in unisexual organism. Next, hologamy. Hologamy means what? Sometimes unicellular entire mature organism behave as the gamete and fuse to form the new organism. This is known as the hologamy. होलोगैमी के प्रोसेस में क्या होता है कि इंटायर मैच्योर ऑर्गेनिज्म गैमेट्स की तरह बिहेव करता है और आपस में फ्यूज करके न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म का फॉर्मेशन करता है. ठीक है? तो इस प्रोसेस को बोलेंगे क्या हम? होलोगैमी इन केस ऑफ वॉल्वॉक्स.